welcome back to my channel. I'm finally putting up the tree. It's a medium-sized tree or a small tree, I don't know, but it's good enough for us. So this is the before. Let me work on it and I'll show you the after.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. My man. I just want to say thank you to my man. Anyway, guys, some of us, our hobbies are not the very, very romantic type who say it outright that, oh, I got you a push present. But I will take it that it was a push present. The man came home and just took this out of his pocket and passed it to me. It would have been nice to say, oh, thank you, baby, for giving me a beautiful baby. Here's your push present, but I took it as a push present anyway. Celebrate with me, guys. Anyway, I was over the moon. This was a few days before Christmas, so I guess it was my Christmas present as well. And yeah, celebrate with me. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. We're on our way to Kalo. For those who know where Kalo is, we're going to get some meat. We do this every mid-month, so I hope I'll vlog. If I don't, sorry, but welcome to a new vlog.
The dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful.
So I needed a few more things for a Christmas tree, so this is just what I was getting. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just showing you. And it's cheaper, by the way, to get this stuff after Christmas. If you don't have enough, you'd rather get it after Christmas, or if you want to start buying it for the next Christmas, the best time to buy it is like January or end of December to be very, very cheap. So this was after a church service. We had been fasting towards the end of December, and to break the fast, we went to a Chinese. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. My name is Pamela. For those who don't know me, I'm a nurse who relocated from Zim to Island a few years ago, and I've been sharing my journey ever since. So I just come to show you what I do, how I prepare for Christmas. I cook most of the stuff the day before, and then tomorrow or Christmas Day I just do the salads. So I'm just going to show you bits of what I'm preparing today, and hopefully tomorrow I'll get to vlog as well. And I'm also going to wrap the presents for the kids. And what else? Yeah, basically that's what we're doing today. Later on we'll go for Christmas carols and then go for drinks at our friend's house. So yeah, have a look. So these are wings that I've marinated. They're still frozen, so once they defrost I'm going to mix that up and then leave it again maybe for 30 minutes before I roast them. I'll put them in the oven. And then this is some pork. So it's just 3 of us, so I'm going to just do bits of what I can. So pork, then rice, then I'm going to do pasta. I think I'll do a pasta salad tomorrow. And then this is chicken. I'm going to do a chicken curry. Then I've got beef there, and I'm going to do a beef stew as well. Basically that's it. I've done my onions. My kitchen counters are a mess, but don't worry about that. They're going to be a mess for the whole day today. And then this side, I don't know, I've just learned to just get my friends something every Christmas, or this Christmas rather. Last year I got a few of them. So this is for 3 of my friends who live in the area. They've been so good to us with the baby and all this year. So they each get a bottle of wine. And then I got these little things, the bags to put the wine in. I think it's supposed to look like this. So it's written 3 Christmas bottle gift bags. So I'm gonna put one of each and give them. And then I also got, sorry about this guys, I also got chocolate cake for Christmas because I didn't have the time to bake. So that was like $9.99 for a fresh cream sponge chocolate cake. So that's done. Yeah, so I'll show you clips of me cooking. And I just wanted to show you that pot as well. I'm going to use it today. I'm going to open it today. It's a cast iron pot. Unfortunately, I can't afford the Le Creuset yet. So for now, we do the Aldi ones. But yeah, this is the cooking that's going on in my house. Forgive the mess. You see me putting this on, just know that the girl is going to be busy in the kitchen. Can you see? Let me put you on here. So while I'm doing all the cooking, while I do all the cooking, I'm running the washing machine as well. There's loads of washing down there. So I'm filling 2 beds with 1 stone. And at the same time, I'm making tea for my son. So I'll show you clips as I go when I remember to. If it was last year or any other year when I haven't just had a baby, I'd be having a glass of wine or something, Bailey's, which is like amarula back home, while I cook, or just a glass of wine. But today we're having tea. But anyway, the joy is the joy is the joy. So we're gonna cut up this chicken, guys. This is a large whole chicken, and it's $5.79 for this. I don't know if you can see the price, but this is what a large whole chicken looks like here. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna make a chicken curry with that. Forgive my cutting skills. I do remember a little bit of how to cut it properly because my mom used to have a chicken project when I was growing up. So I do remember a bit of how to cut it. Most of the time I just wing it. But you know there'll be these. I think I'm winning today. Usually people cook turkey or ham and those kind of things this side for Christmas. But some of us were just used to what we cook at home, the rice and the coleslaw. So I'm not going to experiment this year. Last year I tried the ham for my boys. They did eat it, but I could just see that they don't really like it. So I said, no, let me do what we're used to. Please, I'm not a chef, so I just wing it as I go. And you guys cook this or take it off. I always cut it off. We don't eat it, so we throw it off. Throw it away. How many of you believe in the meat that you don't give your husband or the man of the house the back part of the chicken? Why? What's the reasoning behind it? Please enlighten me. So I'll show you once the curry is done. I'm not going to show you all the cutting of the chicken. Just going to show you the curry when it's done.
I'm so excited. How do I open this? I'm just jiggling.
No. Pull it up.
Pull it. Oh. Steel pack of shoes. This is cool. Ah. What?
Christmas lunch is ready, guys. We have a beef stew there. We have a chicken curry there. We have some chuck roasted. We have some pap, salsa. We have rice, colored rice. We have a bit of pork left over from yesterday. We have soup there, gravy. We've got potato salad, baked beans. I know people always say that don't marry her if she makes a salad of baked beans, but my boys love it, so we'll keep making it. Then we've got a Christmas cake there, a fresh cream sponge chocolate cake. As you can see, I bought that. I should have put it in the cake holder and made it seem like I made it. Anyway, we're ready for Christmas lunch. And in the evening, I'll make maybe a pasta salad and coleslaw, because the boys love that as well, but I'm just too exhausted now. Let's pray. I was a happy girl, as you can see, this Christmas. Please like, please share, please subscribe. I was overjoyed with my Christmas presents. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Please like, please share, and see you on the next one.